Hello everyone, Joe the Welder is my name. Today's video I will be sharing how to set your current on a welding machine. So in this picture here, so as you can see, let's assume that this is our welding machine, and the current that we are pulling in from the power, it is 240 volts. So on the machine, normally you will have the switch either on the back or in the front somewhere here. Let's put it here. It's on and off. So on the machine, you have, this is what you're putting in as the volts, 240, and then in front of it you have this. So you have the positive, the negative, and then the screen that shows you the current that you're using from the machine to the piece that you're welding. And then you have that knob that allows you to reduce your current or raise it up higher. So you have the numbers around. So when you turn it to, let's say, to 120, you should have 120 on the screen here. When you turn it to 70, you should have 70 on the screen. So you use that to see it on the screen. So from this picture here, I will take you through the welding machine so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about from this picture. So from the other picture on the whiteboard, so this is our welding machine. So I talked about the switch on this one. You either have it in front or in the back. So let me turn it on. So as you can see on the machine in front of it, we have the negative that goes to the piece that we are welding, and then we have the positive that holds the welding rod. So this is our welding rod. It is a 3.2. So from the machine, you see the screen. It shows that I'm using, let's say, 24. So what I said here, I should see it on the screen. If I say 170, I should have 170 on my machine. So this is our electrode oven that we use to heat our 7018, 7016. There are those welding rods that you have to put in the oven for 1 hour before you use them. So normally on these, some of these welding rods, they have a standard of the current that you're supposed to use. So mostly they will give you an example of what you should use. So on this we have 2.5, 3.2, 4 millimeter and 5 millimeter. The length of it we have 300, 350 in 3.2. We have 404 millimeter. We have 405 millimeter. And then the current that you're supposed to use is here at the bottom. For a 2.5 they give you 70 to 110. 3.2 they give you 100 to 140. The 4 millimeter they give you 140 to 170. For a 5 millimeter they give you 190 to 200 on 240. But this current can change. Why? This depends on the size of the material that you're using. Like you can't use, like they say here, 100. So you can't use 100 on 1.2, because normally here in Uganda we begin doing the fabrication from 0.8, 1 millimeter, 1.2. So I've seen some of my friends using 220 on 1.2 for those doing fabrication. But in welding, it's not like that. So the material of the size that you're using gives you the right current of what you're using. And for those welders that have been doing this for years and years and years, for them automatically they will set the current for the right piece that they are working on. So experience in this work gives you the right current that you will need for the pieces that you're working on. Like what they say here on this box, sometime will change because of the size of the material that you're using. That's it for today. Thank you. Joe the welder from Uganda.